Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to learn how to enable and use live voicemail on your iPhone. Live voicemail allows you to see a real-time transcription of voicemail messages as they are being left, helping you decide whether to answer the call immediately. That said, let's get started. So first we have to launch the settings app on your iPhone. Then you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and tap on the apps option. And then you have to scroll down to find the phone app and select it. And in the phone settings, tap on live voicemail. And finally you have to turn on the toggle right next to live voicemail and you are all set. Once enabled, you will now see a live transcription of voicemail messages as they are being recorded. And if you ever decide to answer the call during the message, just tap on the accept option. And to listen to the full voicemail later, go to the voicemail tab in the phone app, and that's about it. So that's how you can easily set up and use live voicemail on your iPhone. Now that you have unlocked this pretty cool feature, make the most of it as and when the need arrives. Now I'll catch you up in the next one with more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. Take care. Bye-bye.